If you own the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in 2026, you already know that this is a large and premium smartphone. But when it comes to using it in the car, a good car mount is really important. In this video, we're looking at 5 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra car mounts that can make navigation, hands-free calling, and everyday driving much easier. We'll take a quick look at their design, stability, ease of use, and what makes each one different. So, let's get started and find the right car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Number 5. The Scosche MagFMB MagicMount Magnetic Car Phone Holder is an ultra-compact, versatile accessory specifically designed to offer drivers a secure, hands-free mounting solution for modern iOS and Android smartphones on flat vehicle surfaces like dashboards or center consoles. Built around device-safe, high-powered neodymium magnets, its core features include thin adhesive metal magic plates that attach directly to your phone or case, coupled with a 360-degree adjustable ball joint for fluid transitions between portrait and landscape viewing angles. Constructively, the build quality impresses with a rugged, heat-resistant composite frame, a high-grip rubberized faceplate that protects devices against scratches, and an automotive-grade 3M adhesive pad that anchors firmly to flat or textured interior trim. In terms of ease of use, it offers a stark advantage over traditional mechanical clamp mounts, like the iOtti Easy One Touch. While the iOtti relies on bulky spring-loaded arms that require two-handed positioning and can wear out over time, the Scosche utilizes a minimalist, open cradle framework that enables instant, single-handed snap-on attachment and removal. In demanding real-world scenarios, ranging from aggressive highway braking to jarring off-road tracks and extreme temperature swings, the magnetic matrix keeps heavier smartphones firmly locked in place without slipping or vibrating loose. A key unique design aspect is its ultra-low profile silhouette, which keeps your dashboard uncluttered and ensures completely unobstructed windshield visibility and vent airflow. When evaluated alongside cheaper competitors like WizGear magnetic mounts, Scosche delivers markedly superior magnetic pull force and long-lasting adhesive reliability, justifying its modest price and offering outstanding overall value for money. Ultimately, this mount is perfectly tailored for daily commuters, delivery workers, and long-distance road trippers who prioritize speed, safety, and rock-solid reliability. I highly recommend the Scosche MagFMB MagicMount as a top-performing, economical upgrade for seamless in-car navigation and hands-free control. Number 4. The Z Fold 5 Car Mount, frequently cross-marketed as a universal air vent tablet holder, is purpose-built to securely anchor oversized smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, from Z Fold 2 through the newer generations, as well as smaller tablets like the iPad mini on vehicle air conditioning louvers. Its core features include an expansive clamp range spanning roughly 4.7 to 9.8 inches, an industry-standard 17mm ball head enabling 360-degree rotation for seamless switching between portrait and landscape navigation modes, and an open-bottom design reserved specifically for charging port access. In terms of build quality, the unit is constructed from rugged, high-grade ABS plastic supplemented by soft protective silicone and austenitic metal reinforcements along the cradle arms to prevent device scuffing. Performance-wise, it stands out via an upgraded Hawk's beak barb vent-locking mechanism designed to grip individual louvers tightly and combat the heavy leverage torque typical of unfolding foldable devices. Ease of use is straightforward, allowing drivers to slide wide devices in and out single-handedly once adjusted, though mounting a heavier tablet-sized phone on a vent requires a sturdy louver setup. In real-life driving scenarios, it holds widescreen foldable displays stably open for optimized map viewing, though heavily vibrating rough roads can occasionally cause standard vent blades to sag under the combined weight. When compared to expensive custom dashboard bolted mounts like Bullet Point or high-end wireless charging cradles, this budget-friendly alternative offers exceptional value for money by avoiding overpriced electronic components while delivering reliable mechanical security. Ultimately, this mount is most beneficial for tech enthusiasts, commuters, and road trippers who regularly utilize their foldable phones in an unfolded state and need an affordable, versatile hands-free display, making it a recommended purchase provided your car's air vents are rigid enough to support the extra load. Number 3. The Jikasho Vacuum Magnetic Car Phone Holder is an extraordinarily versatile, multi-surface mounting solution engineered to provide ultra-secure, hands-free phone access in vehicles, gyms, or anywhere with a smooth flat surface, like mirrors, glass, and polished metal. Its core functionality relies on a dual securing mechanism combining a ring of 24-strong N52 MagSafe-compatible magnets at the top, with an innovative twist-lock vacuum suction base lined with a washable, reusable nanogel pad at the bottom. Built from lightweight aluminum alloy and zinc alloy triple-axis hinges rated for thousands of rotations, it features 360-degree rotation, 180-degree tilt, and a fully foldable arm that collapses down to an exceptionally compact footprint. In terms of ease of use, setting up the mount requires only firmly pressing the base against a smooth surface and rotating the lock mechanism, while MagSafe iPhone snaps effortlessly onto the magnetic head, or non-MagSafe devices via the included adhesive metal ring. In real-life scenarios, it demonstrates flawless performance on windshields, gym equipment, and glossy vehicle dashboards, resisting aggressive vehicle vibrations, sudden sharp turns, and thermal flux without losing grip. Compared to traditional suction mounts like the iOtti Easy One Touch, which rely on rigid plastic spring arms, bulky frames, and stickiness that degrades permanently under dust, Jakasho's design offers a sleeker, zero-clutter setup with a rinse-restorable suction cup that leaves zero sticky residue on surfaces. Offering premium structural durability and dual-axis utility at an affordable budget tier, it provides incredible value for money compared to single-purpose car mounts. Overall, this product is ideal for content creators, fitness enthusiasts, daily commuters, and frequent travelers who require a portable, multi-environment mount that transitions seamlessly between the car, gym, and home office. I highly recommend it for its modern aesthetics, robust magnetic grip, and unmatched surface adaptability. Number 2. The Z Fold Gravity Cell Phone Holder Mount is an innovative vehicle mount specifically engineered to handle the unique dual-state requirements of wide foldable smartphones, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, from Z Fold 2 up to Z Fold 7, and Google Pixel Fold lines, while retaining broad compatibility for standard flagships like the Samsung S25 Ultra or iPhone series. Built around a durable high-grade carbon alloy chassis and heat-resistant ABS composite, it features anti-slip silicone pads along deepened, widened 0.7-inch arm slots, specifically engineered to accommodate thick protective cases. Its defining feature is a dual-form self-contracting gravity linkage system that dynamically adjusts. In its compact folded form, it securely grips standard phones between 4.7 and 7.2 inches. But when manually expanded, its top arm slots extend to hold massive unfolded tablet displays up to 8 inches. In terms of ease of use, the weight of the device automatically triggers the gravity arms to lock the phone in place instantly upon insertion, without requiring manual clamping or electronic sensors. In demanding real-life driving scenarios, such as driving over severe potholes or sharp speed bumps, the reinforced air vent hook clip and 3-point structural balance maintain a rock-solid grip that prevents heavy foldable devices from drooping or vibrating loose. Compared to motor-driven electronic wireless charging mounts like the Deerhot or Baseus auto clamping holders, which depend on active power, often suffer from noisy gear wear, and cost significantly more, this purely mechanical gravity model offers superior long-term durability and plug-and-play simplicity. Delivering high-end stability, zero electronic failure points, and smooth dual-form transition at a wallet-friendly price, it offers remarkable value for money. Ultimately, this product is ideal for tech enthusiasts, rideshare drivers, and daily commuters who alternate between folded and wide tablet mode navigation. I highly recommend it as a hassle-free, robust mounting solution for any foldable phone owner. Number 1. The Z Fold CD Slot Car Tablet Mount is a specialized heavy-duty vehicle mounting solution engineered to transform rarely used dashboard CD player slots into solid, eye-level anchor points for wide foldable smartphones, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, from Fold 2 up to Fold 7, and Google Pixel 9 Fold, as well as mid-sized tablets like the iPad mini or Galaxy Tab. Designed specifically to overcome the heavy weight and unbalanced leverage of expanded dual-screen devices, its core features include an expandable quick-release clamp that opens wide, soft protective rubber padding, a 360-degree rotating ball joint for seamless landscape navigation, and an expanding CD blade mechanism locked via a mechanical screw knob. Structurally, the mount excels in build quality, utilizing high-grade ABS plastic reinforced with aluminum hardware to withstand severe road vibration without flexing or cracking. Ease of use is exceptional. Installation requires merely sliding the padded expansion blade into any standard CD slot and tightening the external knob, creating a rigid friction grip while allowing full single-handed phone docking. What makes its design truly unique is its clever placement strategy. By leveraging the central, rigid frame of a car's CD player, it positions large split-screen maps right in the driver's natural line of sight, without blocking vital air conditioning airflow or suctioning hot glass on the windshield. In demanding real-world driving scenarios, including bumpy truck roads, sudden braking, and sharp turns, it maintains remarkable stability, eliminating the drooping and bouncing common among flimsy vent clips. Compared to traditional air vent tablet mounts, which often snap thin plastic vent louvers or cause cabin AC vents to sag under the weight of an open 8-inch screen, this CD slot mount distributes weight into the car's structural dashboard frame, offering vastly superior mechanical stability. Offering long-lasting durability at a budget-friendly price point, it delivers outstanding value for money for owners of aging passenger cars, SUVs, or commercial trucks. Ultimately, daily commuters, truck drivers, and road trippers navigating with unfolded foldable phones or small tablets will gain immense utility from this clutter-free, rock-solid setup. I highly recommend it as a top-tier mounting solution. So, those were 5 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra car mounts to consider in 2026. The best choice really depends on what you need: strong grip, easy installation, wireless charging, or a flexible viewing angle. A good car mount can make using your large foldable phone much safer and more convenient while driving. Let us know which mount you would choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smartphone accessories and tech updates.